After washing it, after plucking the shower shop leaf, you are going to wash it very well. Wash it at least 3 times so that all the dirt will be out. Then you room temperature dry it so that it will be good for your tea. Yeah, guys, after room temperature dry the shower shop, this is how it looks like. I'm going to boil it now to see how the tea will look like. So I've done the packaging now. I'm sending it out to those that requested for it. It is good for diabetics, good for it reduces the sugar, the blood sugar, and it lower BP. So we are going to boil and drink it. So guys, this is the end product of the shower shop. I room temperature dry it, and this is how it looks like. Shower shop reduce the sugar, blood sugar, and it's good for BP, and it reduce stress and all other health benefits. So I'm going to pick a handful of it, boil with 1 cup of water. Your tea is ready. Your tea is ready.